All right, so this is my easy breezy eyeshadow look. I'm using my Maybelline City Edge eye and face palette first. And of course, they don't have names on these, so I'm using like this kind of taupey mauve color as my transition. This is honestly like one of my fast looks, like one of those going to work looks, need to get out the house in a few minutes looks. Y'all know we all have to have one of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you should have something that you could just throw together. You know, you grab it, it's gonna be cute. This is one of those looks. I tend to like pinky looks too, and I'm doing that a lot. I've noticed. I'm gonna put another one up, and you can be like, yeah, you like the pinks, LuuLuu. I take forever trying to do my transition. I always want my transition color to be like perfect. It has to hit a certain level that I'm cool with. So now next is going to be my crease color, and that's that taupe color. Just to start darkening it up. And I go really high into my crease. You know, I hit that socket bone, that socket area. Socket bone. I guess that is a bone. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna let y'all know. That was my highlighting brush I just blended with. I have two Morphe brushes that look almost the same, and I did that. Now, to deepen up the corner, I'm using this black. Now, this black is not like a serious pigmented black. It's kind of like a dusty black. You know, that not quite gray, but not super duper black. Because honestly, this is not the most pigmented palette, but it's good for every day, you know, so it's pigmented enough to give a good look, but it's not so super pigmented like some of my other shadows. So yeah, I kind of like it like that. And you know, I always try to make sure the blend is cute on it. Then next up, I'm going to use the City Lights palette, and now that one is all shimmer. And at the time that I bought that, I did not know, because I bought them when they first came out. So that's why I tend to use them together. Now, even though the Urban City or whatever it's called has some shimmers, I like the shimmers better in this one. And this is like this really kind of pinky iridescent one. Alright, so I got my makeup on. You see them eyebrows is together. And so then I'm gonna go under my eyes, my under eye, with the mauve color that I use as my transition color. And then I'm gonna take the taupe color and add that. And on the everyday, sometimes I just use a brown eyeliner because it's not that, you know, I just don't. And then I normally don't do an inner corner highlight just for every day. So here we go. Here's the full look. Yeah, so this is like my everyday go-to, just running out the house look. So here you go. Let me know what you think, as always. And as always, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment if you want to. And of course, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. It's your LuuLuu. May you have a great day. Be bold, be brave, be fearless. Don't let anybody fuck with you. Bye-bye.